The social media. The social media. The social media has, in the recent years, become a very important tool for the Department of State as they process the visas, and especially so the diversity visa. And it has raised a lot of debates and discussions. Why is the social media account required in the visa processing? And what are the implications? What are the outcomes? What are the effects? Of what importance is it? Will it harm you as a visa seeker? That's what we're going to discuss in this video. With me is this article from our website that you know, the Guided Me In website. And you can visit this website and read through. So let's go through it together. The social media has great importance to the United States government, especially concerning the immigrant. Remember that immigration means bringing newer people into the society of the United States, into the economy, into the landscape. And therefore, there is need for thorough checking. And that brings me to the first reason why the social media account is much needed during the process, the diversity visa process. Now, the first reason as to why the social media is requested, and it's very important, is for the purpose of strengthening the security measures. Just as I've said, that a lot of people are coming into the United States through the immigration process. And the diversity visa also bring in a great deal of people. And therefore, they need to do a thorough screening. And how will they screen the immigrants? Through their social profile, their social media. Remember, guys, that through the social media, we speak a lot to the public. Through the social media, we speak of ourselves. We expose ourselves. Much can be known from the content you do on your social media. It will tell your personality. It will tell your intentions. It will tell your behaviors, your conduct. It will also expose whether you are a threat to the public. Therefore, the biggest reason is for the security information screening. They screen for the security. The other thing is identifying the potential immigration fraud. And for this, I have a story that I related to you in former videos. And this is very important. Do you remember when I told you of a guy that had applied for 6 times with his family without any success, without being selected? And he decided that on the 7th time, he's going to try it as a single person. That is to mean keep aside the family and fill in as a single person, not including the family. And things happened that he was selected on this 7th time. But remember, he had omitted the family. So he continued with the process, filling the DS-260 form as a single person, and went on to the medical examination and to the interview, and was interviewed, and he appeared as single. Therefore, all his details was indicating that he is single, not married, not with kids. And then during the interview, the consul officer clearly had all information regarding this person. They knew he was married and with several kids, but according to the information from the DS-260 and the application, it indicates that The person is single, and therefore he was called to the next office and he was requested to tell the truth because they know everything. And this information they had gotten from the social media account of this person. So this guy was denied the visa on this reason, and he narrated this story to us. Therefore, the social media also is a platform that the United States government uses to detect fraud. Are you lying? Are you saying that you are this, yet you are the other? So it acts as an identifying point of your true identity. The fraud can be eliminated through this. The next reason as to why the social media is a critical tool to the United States government is they use it to check the compliance with the immigration laws. Most of the immigration laws regarding the applicants, the DV applicants, will be known already by the United States government. For example, if you are ever deported from the US, if you have ever overstayed your visa in the US, if you have ever been involved in trafficking, so such things might be known from the records that they have. But other things regarding breaking the immigration laws can be clearly be found on your social media accounts. Remember, you communicate through the social media. You produce content regarding your current status through the social media. You share your information through the social media. Therefore, it is a good platform for them to seek whether you have broken the immigration law. Are you involved in the illegal trafficking? Are you involved in disseminating information that is harmful to the public? Let's go to the next. And this is the final one. They use it to assess the national security risks. And in this, they check whether you are an activist and your activism, what impact does it bring? Do you move the mass towards breaking the national laws? Are you mobilizing people towards harmful activities that can pose a threat to the political grounds of a country? Do you influence people against the government to cause public violence? And if you are an activist against the government, then you are a potential threat to the United States population, to the United States politics, or to the United States political arena. So, do you pose any threat? This can be clearly conveyed by whatever you post on your social media. Be it Twitter, be it Facebook, be it whichever handle. What are your activities with regards to the political security? What are your contribution to the political arena? So these are very important things that the United States government must consider. They must screen you thoroughly. They don't want to bring someone that will become a potential threat to either the government or the public. Social media. What do you post on your social media? Can it affect you? Of course, it can. It can definitely affect you. The kind of content you share, that can affect you. So as you're applying for the diversity visa, take keen note of what you are sharing with the public on your social media account. Thank you, guys. This is very critical information. And make sure you follow those, because we have seen someone was denied the visa because of the social media account. You know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Put the notification bell on for the next videos and also support the channel. Let's meet in the next video.